Let's go over how to use Koalendar for your team and create multi-host events. From your landing page dashboard, you'll head over to the top right-hand side and click on Invite Teammates. Here, you'll want to enter your teammates' emails, and we'll send out the invitation this way, or you can also copy the invite link and send it through another messaging or email platform. Now we will head over to the inbox to which that invitation should be sitting at. But first, if for whatever reason you want to join using the same browser, you'll want to remember to first log out of this account. Now we'll head over to Valerie's inbox and we'll see we have our invitation waiting for us. So we can either copy and paste the URL or just hit join the workspace. And we'll log in. Koalendar will send us a verification code first. Now we'll accept the invite. And voila, we've joined this new collaborative space. We can log out of this account and go back to our original admin account to see how the magic happens. Now back in our original account, over on the right-hand side, we'll see our members. And these members can be also made to be admins. So this would give them the ability to also edit, modify, or change other settings in other members' accounts. But for now, we can also manage this member's accounts just by clicking on their name. So on this page, if they would have any bookings, we would be able to edit and manage all of those, change their availability. And up at the top, we'll hover over where it says managing and the account member, and you'll see that it gives you the option to switch back to your primary account. So now let's get into how to actually create a multi-host event. So either create a new event or edit an event you already have. And under hosts and resources, you'll want to click add hosts or resources, and here you'll select people. So you have two options. You can either just add their name, or you can add their name and email. This will send them an invitation and will allow them to manage their account separately. Here we'll add these other hosts just by name, and we can also add our member that has joined the account. So for scheduling type, we have three different options. The first option allows attendees to specifically choose which host they would like to have the meeting with. The no preference option is going to give them the ability to have a host randomly selected. The next option is collective. So this means that all of the hosts are going to be required and coordinated to be at this booking. And we can also change who is the primary host. This is the person from which all meeting correspondences are going to be sent from via Koalendar. And finally, we can select random selection or round robin. This is going to randomly assign a provider according to the attendee's preferred time. And here, if we toggle on this option to allow invitees to select the available host, that's going to give attendees the option to select which provider they would prefer when they're confirming their booking. And next, under availability, So this is an important note to remember. If all hosts are in the same time zone and have the same availability, you'll want to choose same for all hosts, and you can set their availability just once and you're done. If this is not the case, you'll select per host and you will customize everyone's availability separately. Up above, where we have our hosts, under edit, you can also add in a profile picture, a description. You can link a calendar. You can link an external calendar this way. You can add their distinct availabilities, any days off, as well as booking limits per host. And once all of your customizations have been made, you'll just hit save and share your booking page. And that's it. If you have any more doubts or questions when it comes to managing your team or creating multi-host meetings, head over to our support center linked down below or get in touch with our team. Happy scheduling!